Children, last time, what did we study? Let me recall once again, and then I will start the new term. And I think we have studied common noun, proper noun, and its definition with suitable example. निश्चित रूपानं मागील पाठामध्ये आपण कॉमन नाउन, सामान्य नाम, प्रॉपर नाउन, विशेष नाम आणि त्यांच्या व्याख्या उदाहरणासह अभ्यासलेल्या आहेत. And today we shall see more about an abstract noun, which is very important term. So what do we call in Marathi an abstract noun? Abstract noun अर्थातच भाववाचक नाम. But I have a question, my simple question before you. What is an abstract noun? एक माझा साधा प्रश्न मुलांनो तुमच्या समोर की abstract noun कशाला म्हणायचे? abstract nounची व्याख्या आपणाला इंग्रजी भाषेमध्ये कशा प्रकारे करता येईल? How will you define on an abstract noun? Let me define at first and then I will make it clear. An abstract noun is such a noun which denotes ideas, quality, feelings and state of mind that cannot be touched or heard and smelled or tasted. It's not a physical object. So this is what we call an abstract noun. Abstract noun या इंग्रजी व्याख्येचा अर्थ खालीलप्रमाणे मराठी भाषेमध्ये करण्यात आलेला आहे. भाववाचक नाम हा नामाचा असा एक प्रकार आहे की जो कल्पना, गुण, भावभावना आणि मनाची अवस्था दाखवितो. त्याला स्पर्श करणे किंवा ऐकणे शक्य नाही. तसेच सुगंध किंवा चवही घेता येणार नाही. ते अमूर्त स्वरूपात आहे, भौतिक वस्तू नव्हे. या सर्व बाबींचा विचार आपणाला भाववाचक नामामध्ये करणे अत्यावश्यक आहे किंवा त्याचा विचार आपण भाववाचक नामामध्ये करू शकतो. An abstract noun let me explain or make it clear by giving more and more examples. Now these examples are as follow: love, honesty, wisdom, anger, fear, and courage. So these are some proper examples which are related to an abstract noun. मुलांनो, भाववाचक नामा या संज्ञेमध्ये प्रेम, प्रामाणिकपणा, शहाणपण, क्रोध किंवा राग, भीती, धैर्य किंवा धाडस इत्यादी उदाहरणाचा विचार आपणाला भाववाचक नामामध्ये करू शकतो. So how do we run these words in a proper and meaningful sentence? We shall see some meaningful and appropriate sentences which will give you better knowledge about an abstract noun. चला तर मग आपण abstract noun एका अर्थपूर्ण वाक्यामध्ये त्याचा वापर कसा करायचा. Let me give first example. Lalita's unconditional love towards her husband. In this particular example, love that we can consider an abstract noun which we cannot see. It is in hidden condition. Let me recall another example. Honesty is the best policy. मुलांनो, प्रामाणिकपणा म्हणजे एक उत्तम गुण मानला जातो. Once again, honesty is the best policy. Each and every one should have honesty. That is our best quality. And these things that we can consider in an abstract noun. Another example that we consider, courage is the surest weapon in danger. संकटकाळी धैर्य हे फार मोठे एक शस्त्र मानले जाते. So in this example, courage that we can counted as an abstract noun. We should not have any fear. Wisdom is always respected. These are some another examples which are equally important and we consider as suitable example for an abstract noun. Again, we shall have another more examples for justifying an abstract noun. So here I would like to stop and remaining terms under kinds of noun. Tomorrow I will be continue. Till that moment you wait. Thank you. Thank you very much.